It must be wonderful to go to bed and wake up with tons of messages telling you that you've made a fortune overnight. It's like entering the world of Narnia and finding some wonderful things. Obtain 5 heaps of cash by visiting a magical wardrobe. What if I told you that you didn't need to go to a magic wardrobe to make it work, because I'm going to teach you how to generate money without one? It's as simple as using whatever device you have, whether it's a computer, laptop, tablet, or even a smartphone. You can earn up to $600 on a regular basis by repeating this strategy. What's even great is that it doesn't discriminate based on your nation of origin. Even if you're a complete newbie, you don't need any prior experience or technical knowledge because your task is extremely straightforward, and I'll explain everything in this video, so stick with me to the very end. Never skip ahead since you can miss out on this opportunity. Now, because I don't want to keep you waiting, let's jump right into the video's first website, which is called Hirezyne.com. To provide you with small info, Hirezyne is a massive marketplace that includes a slew of online jobs that have never been easier to come by. You can start your adventure by selecting a line of work that best suits your skills. Working from home offers several advantages, like greater flexibility, more time, and freedom. You get to devote your own time while remaining in the comfort of your own house. All of the current job openings listed by the Hirezyne can be found right here on this page. Let's take a look at each of them one by one. Typing jobs pay between $4 and $6 every page of 2,000 words. The proofreading tasks are available at a rate of $5 to $10 per page. The paid survey jobs are available, with pay ranging from $5 to $50 per survey. Adds so much more. These figures may sound appealing, especially since some have risen to $40 and even $50, but you should be aware that these assignments are relatively difficult to do. Some even require you to have a solid background to complete the activities. However, there is one job that is ideal for beginners with no prior expertise, and that is proofreading. So it only pays you $5 to $10 every page, but you may use this strategy over and over again. This effectively expands your revenue prospects. So don't lose any time and click on the link. Immediately below the headline for proofreading jobs, you will learn more about working as an online virtual proofreader. As you can see, detecting and correcting typos and grammatical errors produced by others is a simple way to get money. Now you have complete flexibility to browse the page as it provides more details about the overall situation. The technical requirements can be found right here, and when you read them, it's not difficult. Just make sure you're at least 16 years old and have a desktop or laptop computer with a reliable internet connection. That's all there is to it. You simply come across the skill criteria, which are all very basic. We'll get to this area as we scroll down, where you can see the total benefits of this career opportunity. First and foremost, they provide a competitive pay rate of $5 to $10 per page. Second, they provide flexible hours, so you don't have to commit to a stressful 9-to-5 job. With Hirezyne, you may work whenever you want, from your living room or anywhere else in the world, in any time zone. Finally, their website is full of wonderful colleagues with a large virtual network where you can connect with some of the world's best English proofreaders, allowing you to grow and make connections with people from all over the world. Let's get started with the application procedure. You can find this section for the application procedure by scrolling down the same page. As I already stated, everything is completely free. Click on the button that reads, "Apply to be an online proofreader," to go to a page where you may read more, but this time you'll learn about the application procedure. Step 1. Reread the hiring process. Please carefully read and review the How We Hire instructions before submitting your application. This will ensure that your application is error-free. Step 2. Before filling out an online application form, submit your job application. Continue after reading some quick suggestions on how to fill out an online application form. Finally, following the job application, complete a sample project. To submit a job application, you'll be brought to this website if you click on the text right here, where you can take a step closer to being a virtual proofreader. As you go down, you'll notice this part right here with this button that reads Apply Now. I obviously want you to click that, which will take you to this page, where you may now join up for a free account. Start by filling out some personal information about yourself on the application form and click on Register. You now have your account and you can start working. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.